Are you struggling with loan payments that seem impossible to manage? You're not imagining things. This is a reality many people are now facing across the country. With rising interest rates and stricter loan terms imposed by lenders, more borrowers feel financially trapped by growing and often uncontrollable debt. This isn't just affecting business owners or people with large investments. Everyday individuals with personal loans, business debts, or consumer credit are feeling the pressure too. Even government-backed plans that once offered real financial relief have now changed significantly. Take the SAVE plan, for example, a program originally designed to ease repayment burdens for borrowers with lower incomes. As of this year, interest charges are being applied again, increasing the total amount borrowers owe, even if they make payments on time. This shift is part of a much broader financial trend that is affecting millions of families and business owners. Whether you have personal loans, business loans, or consumer credit, lenders are imposing tighter borrowing conditions while interest rates continue to climb steadily. Payment plans that were once flexible, manageable, and aimed at helping borrowers are now much harder to access and often come with stricter requirements. As a result, many borrowers are struggling to catch up, and even with regular monthly payments, debt balances may still grow due to accumulated interest and fees. If you're facing this situation, you're probably wondering, what legal options do I have to protect myself and my financial future? What is bankruptcy and how does it work? Bankruptcy is a legal process that allows individuals or businesses to officially declare that they cannot repay their debts under their current financial circumstances. Depending on the specifics of your case, the court may discharge certain debts, restructure payment terms, or set a manageable repayment plan that fits your financial reality. But filing for bankruptcy isn't automatic. You must file a formal petition with the court, submit detailed financial records, and follow a legal process that requires full transparency and compliance with the law. For individuals, the most common are Chapter 7, which may eliminate certain unsecured debts, and Chapter 13, which allows you to follow a structured repayment plan over time. Chapter 11 is also available, primarily for businesses, but in some cases, individuals with significant debts may use it for reorganization purposes. Recent updates to bankruptcy laws have made it slightly easier for people facing genuine financial hardship to access legal protections when needed, though the process remains formal and regulated. What happens to loan debts in bankruptcy? Not every debt will be wiped away through bankruptcy. However, secured debts like mortgages or auto loans typically require additional steps, and the court may set specific terms for repayment or negotiation. Government-backed loans, including certain types of student loans, are often harder to discharge, but with proper legal action and under specific circumstances, it is possible. That's why professional legal guidance is essential. Every debt type requires a specific legal strategy. How to apply for bankruptcy? If you're considering bankruptcy, here's what you need to do. First, consult a qualified bankruptcy attorney. They will carefully review your financial circumstances, explain your options, and help determine which type of bankruptcy best applies to your case. Second, gather all necessary financial documents, including income records, debt statements, assets, liabilities, and legal notices. This information is crucial for the court to properly assess your case and decide how to proceed. Third, file a formal bankruptcy petition in court, carefully following the correct legal procedures and respecting all required deadlines and timelines set by the court. Filing correctly from the beginning is essential to avoid unnecessary complications later. Be prepared to attend mandatory credit counseling sessions, participate in court hearings when required, and work closely and consistently with your bankruptcy attorney throughout the entire legal process to ensure everything is handled properly. Attempting to file on your own is risky and could delay your case or result in denial. If loan debts are overwhelming your finances, bankruptcy may provide a legal path toward relief and financial stability. But it's not a decision to take lightly. Knowing your rights and getting legal advice before filing is key to making the right move for your future. Contact us today. We help clients understand their options, protect their rights, and take control of their financial situation.